is John. We're in Idaho. We're here with Solar Spur Outfitters and Lodge. Let me tell you what, the lodge part is great too, because the food is fantastic. I don't think I'm gonna lose any weight this week. We're out here hunting black bear. This is day 2. Ken's my cameraman today. He got a bear yesterday, so I'm hoping to get one today. So we'll be back after the break, and maybe we'll have a bear.
That was a good shot. You got a good clean kill on him. I saw the shot.
On a fine black bear.
Thanks a lot, Evan. This has been a hunt of a lifetime. Never had a chance to hunt black bear. It was fantastic to just see this thing walk up and have an opportunity to take one.
I'll be glad when I get to pet my own tomorrow night. Huh? No, this is fine. I'll tell you what, Silver Spur Outfitters has really took care of us this week, and got 3 more days of hunting.
That's right.
We got 3 bear on the ground, so
that's right, and have an opportunity to possibly get another one here.
No doubt about it. I'm excited. Hopefully, I saw a big bear last night. Tried to hunt him this afternoon. Didn't come in, but we're gonna get him tomorrow. We got 2 days.
Yeah.
I'm not giving up on that spot. Y'all have to kill me to take my spot. But I tell you what, if they kill another one down here in this hole again, where I have to walk back down this hill, the fat Southern boy can't handle this stuff. I can tell you what.
This is a workout.
I tell you what. But congratulations again.
Thanks a lot. Fantastic.
Y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back with more black bear hunting in Idaho.